Hi, this is Ron with Patrick Hyundai. Today we are doing the first ever model clinic. And today we're actually doing the model clinic on the Sonata N-Line in fact. The N-Line starts off at 34,624 and the SE Sonata starts off at 25,485. The model clinics will give you an opportunity to basically dive into these cars and learn what makes them different. The Sonata N-Line is different because of basically the motor and some outside and inside features. Let's take a look. You have some badging right here, N-Line badging all around the car, front and rear fascia, unique end wheels and tires. You can see the ground effects as well. You also have a twin dual exhaust in the back. The N-Line does feature a 2.5 liter turbocharged motor with 290 horsepower and 311 foot-pounds of torque. Let's take a look at the trunk. What's pretty cool about the Sonata is you push right here and it opens up. Let's take it for a drive. You'll see a couple things on the inside that make it a little different. You have the N badge on the steering wheel, the shifter, the seats, and etc. So I'll put it in drive here. I have the safety settings pretty set up here. Let's see here. It's your door. It's your door. If your kids leave the door open, it'll beep like that. I'll start to talk about the safety features. You have blind spot indicators on the mirrors. That'll notify you if someone's in your blind spot and you just don't see them. Basically it'll beep, and then it'll help avoid an accident if you ignore that actually. You also have lane keeping assist and lane following assist. Lane keep helps keep you in the lane, so if you get distracted, it'll kind of pull you back into the lane. Lane following assist will help follow the lane if it curves or bends or anything like that. You also have forward collision avoidance, which hopefully we don't have to demo. But basically, it'll alert you if someone pulls in front of you, slams on the brakes, stuff like that. It'll also apply the brakes if it feels like you're going to get into a collision. So it's pretty nice, very safe vehicle. I did put it in sport mode. You have different modes here, and sport mode gives it a really nice feel. You can really feel for the the horsepower and all that torque. There's some paddle shifters here. You can kind of mess with that a little bit. Beautiful ride. When you change the modes here, the dash actually changes. So you can kind of change that. All these safety features I went over too, you can alter that in the vehicle settings. I won't do that obviously when we're driving, but you can have it either alert, aid, all the above, or none. You also have some nice tech. You have a panoramic sunroof. Obviously a big, nice screen digital dash. The inline also gives you all the red stitching throughout the car. You can kind of see that. It's pretty sweet. Bose audio too. So we can kind of mess with that a little bit while we're waiting for the light. What's nice too is you can mute it, just like that in the steering wheel. So let's say you're making a Facebook Live video right now, it's too loud. You can mute it.
It's really just about me and my friend Marty Jones.
It's pretty cool.
Just sitting in a bar, wishing we could talk to some girls. And they looked in the corner and there was...
Pulling up the Patrick Hyundai in a little bit here.
Surrounded by like 3 girls. I thought, man, if we were big rock stars, we could talk to girls like that. And I went home that night and wrote Mr. Jones.
All right.
This is Mr. Jones on Sirius XM.
All right. You can hear the car pretty good. It's nice. All right. All right, we made it back home. All right. All right. Make sure to like us on Facebook and check in on August 11th when we go over the Hyundai Elantra. Take it for a spin. If you have any questions, feel free to ask right now. We'll answer them.
In the meantime, what do you like about the Sonata?
In the meantime, what do I like? This one in particular, I actually like the blue, the Stormy Sea. And then you have the red stitching, gives it kind of like a Superman look. It's pretty cool. You have all the power that you need out of a daily driver if you go on the highway a lot. It's a lot of fun. You have a lot of safety, a lot of tech. It's a really good seller. We've had a lot of these end lines come through, and they sell pretty quick.
What are some benefits of a Sonata?
Some benefits of a Sonata. You have a lot of space. You have a lot of space. As you saw the trunk, as you saw the leg space. I'm not a giant, but I'm 6 foot, and I fit just fine in the driver's seat. You know, a lot of people like the Sonata for affordability. You get a lot of safety, tech, performance in this car versus, you know, in a Accord or Camry. A lot better priced, a lot better warranty too. A lot of our customers are current Hyundai owners because we have a really good loyal, you know, fan base. And but for those of you that don't know, you do have a 5-year 60 bumper to bumper and a 10-year 100,000 engine transmission warranty. You also have 3 years of maintenance for your oil changes and tire rotation, stuff like that. They just started that last year. Patrick Hyundai is home of the $12 oil change as well. So you can come see one of us here. We can discuss that with you.
I don't think we got any questions. Just remind them again about liking us on Facebook and stuff.
Oh yeah, like us on Facebook. We also have a TikTok too. We have some funny videos on there, so check that out. Patrick Hyundai is the TikTok. Other than that, I'm excited to do another one. The Elantra is going to be a good one.
Probably just say bye or something.
Okay. Thanks guys for joining us, and we'll see you soon.